Okay, Tesla, you have to find a way out. Drive us up home. Just kidding, detour, car wash. And it goes on here.
Where did you put it exactly?
I tossed it right in there and shut it.
Bro, why would you toss it in there? The amount of other tiny little metal pieces
I didn't know you had it. Tesla's only one way to leave.
You put it in my wallet, not my purse, right?
It's right in there. Because it would fall out of your purse.
No, it would have stayed perfectly fine. My purse. Okay, it must be stuck between one of my cards.
Oh. Brother, it's like this big.
I don't know
It's
where
not
the
stuck
hell
between
it would
those.
be because it's not inside my
That
purse.
shit's not stuck between those cards. If I immediately find this shit, bro.
Okay, Brace, whatever you say.
Right here.
Because you
No,
know
that's
where you
not
put it. That's what I thought.
It's in here though. It's not gone anywhere else.
You sure it's not inside my purse?
There's no way. That's the only thing I had to charge my phone.
Okay, you know what? I'll look for it really probably if you miss it.
Cause I literally put it in here. I know. Here. Just don't let it fall. to connect to my phone. So I plug my phone in.
What? It's like your iPhone?
Yeah, it's an adapter. So you plug this in, and then this goes. It plugs in your phone. It's an adapter. You just have to wait for more to
This
come in
makes
the mail.
absolute no sense.
Just have to wait for more to come in the mail.
Sorry, baby.
No fucking way, bro. Sorry, I was angry at the car wash. You'll see in a minute here. There's no way. This is the first time this shit's ever. First time this shit's ever happened. I'm beyond.
What happened? You passed by the car wash?
No, you'll see.
There's a line?
Yeah.
No, okay.
Fuck no, bro.
Didn't I tell you not to go today?
Fuck no. It's okay. It should be done in a minute. It shouldn't take